The ratio of the number of Anne's picture cards to the number of Wendy's picture cards was 7 to 8. So here we use our bar model to represent Anne having 7 units when Wendy has 8 units. Now, after Wendy gave 8 picture cards to Anne, they each had the same number of picture cards. So we have to think backwards for a second. Let's look at the second part of that sentence. So Wendy gives Anne a bunch of picture cards, and then they have the same number of picture cards. So if at the beginning Anne has 7 units and Wendy has 8 units, we know that they have 15 units altogether. If they had the same amount of units, they would have to have, 15 divided by 2 is 7.5 units each, if they were going to have the same amount of units. So after Wendy gives 8 picture cards to Anne, they each have the same number of picture cards, which means that they have the same number of units. So how many units does Wendy have to give Anne so that they have the same amount? Well, if she gives Anne half a unit, then they will both have 7.5 units, the same amount. So what else are we told? We're told that the amount that Wendy gives away is 8 picture cards. So that gives us a clue. That lets us know that half a unit is worth 8 cards. Then 1 unit, we're going to multiply this side by 2. We're going to multiply this side by 2 as well. 1 unit is worth 16 cards. How many picture cards do they have altogether? Well, at the beginning we figured out that they have 7 plus 8 units altogether. Let's just 7 plus 8, so they have 15 units together. We found out that 1 unit is worth 16 cards. So together they have 15 times 16 cards, which is equal to 240 cards between the two of them. And that is our answer.